How to contact American Express customer support. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can contact American Express customer support. To contact American Express, you have several options depending on your location and the nature of your inquiry. For that, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, here type in americanexpress.com. This is the official URL of American Express. Once you have entered this keyword, now press on Enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of American Express. Once you reach this page, here you may also log into your American Express account or simply find customer service option at the top right corner of your screen just ahead of this login button. Once you find it, simply click on it and now you will be taken to a new page. In this page, you will need to scroll a bit down until you locate Contact Us option. Once you find it, simply click on it and here you will be presented with different topics and headings which you can select depending on your inquiry. For instance, I'm selecting personal cards. Once you click on it, you will be able to see all the contact details, contact information of American Express which you can use to contact them. If you'd like to call them, you can use these phone numbers which are available 24/7. Also, if you'd like to mail, then you can simply scroll down a bit. You'll also get to see the location and address of American Express. If you'd like to visit them personally, you may also use this address and then contact them. For the fastest service, calling the number given here is recommended. You can use the most convenient method based on your location and the nature of your request. So this is how you can contact American Express customer support. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.